Hey everyone, Terrain, owner of All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. Visit us at allterrain.com. Out in Anatolia to do a gutter clean on this 2-story and solar panel cleaning. So here we are, just about done with this 50-foot stretch right here. A little bit more in here before we just get this out there and then go ahead and rinse and make sure that the downspouts are flowing good. And then we'll make our way over to these to the solar panel array. They have, let's see, take a look. 1, 2, 3, or 4 arrays. It's an 8 kilowatt system. And all this dusty stuff. So we'll get this all cleaned up here. So we came up from down there. Yeah, so visit us at allterrain.com if you need gutter cleaning or solar panel cleaning. We'd love to assist you. Visit allterrain.com and see a list of our services. And we hope to hear from you soon. Take care.